This tutorial, we are going to be talking about an investment rental properties. This project is a huge one, and it's going to be if you're looking for a way to want to sell properties, and then you want to build a project that can allow investors to come in and invest in your properties, or you have a project that deals with real estate, and you're looking for how you can make this a software system or is system management for real estate properties for people to come in, invest, and see how their profit is going and how much that they can earn on per product per properties that is on your platform. So this project is a huge one. It helps you to manage your properties. It helps you to sell your properties. It helps you to know how your properties is doing. It helps you to manage all of the properties. Now, I will dive deep into this tutorial and show you how this project actually works. So as you can see this section, you have an amount where you can input to calculate the kind of investment plan that you can make in any of the properties that is available. You can click on calculate earning and you see fixed investment for that particular one is 5,000. So this is what the owner of the platform has said that the minimum you can use to invest is 5,000. So when you put in 5,000, the investment plan for prime estate is we calculate your amount now. So you're gonna get plan prime. You see amount $5,000, payment period every day for a 0 day, profit $300. That's the profit you're gonna be getting. Capital back is no, total is 0 plus plus plus. All right, so this is going to be set by an admin. If you're looking to build something like this, you can set all this information from your backend. You have total control over this. And if you're looking to make you can decide how much profit you want those people to make based on their investment. And when you look at how your property is, if you look at how much it's worth, then you can do whatever it is you can do on this software. So this is the project, and this is what you're gonna be saying. As you can see, these are the properties, for example, that are available. Like you have this property, you see you have 10% PA, and then you see valuation is $300. So this is how you're gonna set your own property as well, and then you can input all of the information that you need to input in your property. So user can also come into the platform and register on your platform to become an investor. See, they click on the login, they click on the login, it's going to bring them to this login system. And if they are a new user, they can register using this. All they need to do is input their name, username, phone number, email, and password, agree to the policy, and then click submit. And after that is done, they can go back to the login page and it automatically redirect them to the dashboard. So today we are going to dive deep. So today we are going to dive deep into the project itself. All right. So if I am a user, I want to log in. So after logging in, it will redirect me to the user dashboard. So I'll be showing you the user dashboard and how it works. As you can see, this is a user dashboard. User can do settings on their platform. User can see their account balance that they have. The user is currently having $20. Total deposit is $0. That's because the user, I just logged in, I just registered, and I just have this account. And total withdrawal, I've not done any withdrawal here. And this is the total investment that I've made. This is current investment that I made. This is the current plan that I am on, and this is the pending invest that I have, and this is the pending withdrawal that's gonna be there, and then this is the referral if I eventually register for referral. Now this is my referral link on this platform. If I click on copy, I can send this to anybody and then refer people to the platform. If I refer people to this platform, if anybody sign up and invest in any properties in this place, in this company, in this software, you're gonna be getting a total commission from this, and then your earning will be displayed right here. You understand? All right. So now let's look at the so we have an investment plan. So if this is the investment plan for the project, and then you as the owner, this is the user, you see the investment plan. You can invest after you have deposited into this property. You can invest into this if this is the one you want to invest on. Kangaroo, we have 3% every week. Yeah, and then Somerville, you have $5 every week, right? So this is $1,000 US. $30,000 US. You look at the one that pays you, you look at the one that you can invest in, you can invest now or invest this in your balance. So anyone that you like, you can choose as a user. So this is the user dashboard. And you can also see your invest log. This invest log is going to be like every investment plans that you've made are going to be displayed right there. If you invest in the first one, you're going to see all of the investment history right there. And also the best part about this project is user can deposit, right? You can deposit using any payment gateway. So you can deposit via wire transfer, bank cash deposit, you can deposit with Cash App, bank direct deposit, USDT TRC20, you can deposit with Bitcoin, you can also deposit with ERC20 Ethereum. Anyone that you can also deposit with Paystack, you can also deposit with PayPal, you can also deposit with any payment method that you want, and an admin as the owner of this platform, you can actually do that yourself. All right. So you can also see the deposit log. You can also see the deposit log if you prefer to see what are the, you have deposited using any of this payment gateway. All your deposit log history will be displayed right there if you click on this. So if I click on withdraw, I will be able to select, okay, if I have $10 and I have my investment return, my ROI on the investment, you can click on withdraw, select the payment method, any payment that I want to pick, then I will withdraw this money. You understand? You can withdraw using this script. And also you have interest log. You see how much you are making, the history is gonna be there, and then you have the transaction log. You can transfer money. Now this transfer money, you have to invest before you can actually start transferring money from your platform. So this project allows you to transfer money. Admin can set it to be like that, and admin can also set it to be the way you want. So the receiver email, and then you transfer money to the receiver. So as long as the receiver is having your platform, as long as the receiver is registered on this platform, you can transfer money from your own wallet to these users, to these users using the user's email, right? And also, you can see the support. Whenever you have a problem as a user, you can create a new ticket. You create a new ticket, you can submit your information, send and create your ticket right there. And when you create your ticket will be listed here as all ticket number 1, and then admin will receive your ticket details. And also, the best part about this is you can you can generate a 2FA key for your platform. Understand? So this can protect you from people that can hack your account. So this is like extra security for your platform. So as a user, this is what you have in this script. Now I will quickly dive straight into showing you the admin interface, how the admin interface looks like. And after that, we're going to go deeper into how we can install this script without no problem, so that we will have the same information as this. All right. So now what you're gonna do is, let's go to the dashboard for the admin. So this is the admin dashboard. As the owner of the platform, this is what you are gonna see. So this is an admin dashboard. As you can see, the admin can see the total investment that is being made on the platform. Admin can see the total pending investment that is made on the platform. The admin can see the total active user. Admin can see all the total deactivated user, and also admin can see the total pending withdrawal and also the total withdrawal, which is all of this. And then all of these can be displayed in form of a graph, so that you can see the progress of how your report is going. As you can see, withdrawal gateway that you have set is going to be displaying how much you're going to be charging per withdrawal and how many automatic gateways you have. You understand? Then you're going to see all users. You can see all of your users right there, all the users that have registered on the platform. All right. So now this, you can change this Spanish to English, you can change to Afrikaans, you can change to Spanish, you can change it the way you want. You can say this is notification. You can say if you have notification, you can click on it to see your notification. Now let's go through each of these dashboards. Let's see what we have there. All right, so let's go to the top. So we have first one is let's look at the manage users. So on this platform, you can manage a user, right? You can know the total number of users that you have on the platform. You understand? You can know the amount of the active users, the users that you have deactivated from the platform. You understand? You can click on this action button to make sure that you can set that. And also you have this manage users. You see this manage user, you can see all of your active users right here. And the same way, if you want to inactive any user, you can click on the action and take an action on that. You understand me? So that way you can make the status of any action, any user that you want to disable from the platform, you can disable any of those user, right? Okay, so as you can see, this is how you can, you edit that user. You can, this user, this is another good part about the script. As an admin, you can add balance to that user. You understand? You can also subtract balance from that user. Also, you can send mail to that user. You get me? And also, you can change the status of that user from inactive to active. You can change the information of the user. You can change any details of the user, and then you can update that user. In case if of the user needs information to be changed, or you want to change from your admin end, you can do that right from here. That is another best part of the script. And all of this user and all of your user, we can also see them right here. This is it. Click on that on the action, and then you get to this section where you can add to the user's balance or subtract to the user balance. And also the next one is you can schedule. See, these are, you see, this is the schedule plan for your project. You can set all of the schedule right here. You can add new time, you can delete new time, or you can edit any time that you want to set for your investment project property. All right, so the manage plan, you can set your plan. You can click on add plan to add new plan and set your plan name, invest limit, status, and any of these things that you set are going to be the one that are going to be reflecting on the front end that your customers are going to be clicking on to subscribe on. Remember, we were selecting kangaroo flat the other time. You understand? So I have clicked on create plan, right? So this create plan, you can create plan name. So the other one was kangaroo, like this, right? So you can set the name for your platform. You can set let's say Villa Booze, right? You can say Villa Boo. So you can say is a fixed one. You can set an amount to 3,000 US dollars. You understand me? Then you can set the interest rate to 2%, or you can set it to 2 fixed price, or you can set it to that. All right. So every 6 months, that's when this return is going to be happening. You can say every day. You can say every week. Lifetime return for lifetime. If you want this person to be like that, if you want this plan to be like that, and then status, you can active the status, and then you can create that plan. So that Villa Boo is going to be created and it's going to be displaying on the front end of the website where your user can see that. As you can see right here, the plan has been successfully created, and also you can turn it on and you can turn it off. Then you can edit again, and then can make necessary changes to this particular user, to this particular plan. And also you have tickets. Any customer that submit tickets, you can see all the tickets right here, and you can also receive information like email when this user submit a ticket. All right, so let's move on to another one. So we have another one right here. So this is the payment gateway. You can create the payment gateway that you want. You can click on create gateway to create new gateway and create cash app. See all the one that you see the other time for the payment gateway. This way you can create them. You can click on create gateway to see how you can create the gateway. And let's go back to this other one, still loading. I click on this create gateway anyways. So this create gateway will create new payment gateway for you. So you can choose the image of the gateway. Click here. If you have the image of that payment gateway that you want to use, any form of gateway you want to use, if you have the QR code for that particular gateway, you can put the QR code here. You can name it whatever it is you want to name it. You can create the gateway currency. You can convert how many US dollars do you want this to be charging. Do you want to allow as payment method, yes or no? Then you can click on payment instruction. Then you can add requirement, create your gateway. Now this way you can create a payment gateway that is not listed on your investment property project. This is very, very awesome. You understand? This is very huge. Understand? So that way you will be able to do whatever it is that you want to do with it. All right, so the next one is you have Paystack payment. You see, this is the payment gateway right here. As you can see, we have so many payment gateway. We have Flutterwave, Paystack. You understand? You can active any of this. allow as payment method, you can click on yes so that you can update them and display pay stack as part of the payment method on the platform that the user will be saying. You understand? Because I think all right, it's this section that I'm talking about. So user, when user click on deposit, they want to deposit. Now if this pay stack account is so let's say this okay, I have allowed this pay stack. If I click on update pay stack, I am expected to see this pay stack activated right here from the user's end where they make deposit. So if I click on refresh right here, I should see the pay stack is now coming because I have activated from admin end. So this pay stack, you need to upload the pay stack image here, right here, so that pay stack image will be displayed right here and it will look really, really awesome. So right now, that is what you can do at the moment. All right, so let's look at, okay, so you see this is pay stack image. You can input the image. Once you input the image, you just need to update it. If you want to, if you don't want to allow pay stack, just click on update and then it will just remove from the user. User will not see the payment gateway for pay stack. Then you have to put your public key here from pay stack after you register for that. If you need, or if you need course on how to create this, you can check on my other channel. Right, so this is the manual payment. You can set the manual payment. So all the payment that is coming in, you'll be seeing all of the payments right here. So withdrawal method, how do you want your user to draw? You understand? You can fund with transfer wire, Ethereum, point payment. You can add new withdrawal method. Whatever method you want to have, you can set it the way you want, and then you understand, just save it and then to update it and then to display on the user's dashboard. So this is the manual payment. These are the people that have made payment manually that did wire transfer. You can approve them. Just click on the details. You will see the payment, and if you confirm the payment, you can you understand this is the payment right here. So right, all right. So you see other general. Okay, so this is general settings. So this is general settings right here. This is how you want to change the name of the platform to your own name. You can click on this name, change it to whatever it is on. This is BrickX. You can change it to any name you want. Site currency, set it the way you want. Site color, set it the way you want. If you want to be giving people sign-up bonus, you can input it right here. If you don't want to give anybody sign-up bonus, it is okay right there. Put your map link here, copyright, change the name right here to the name you want. And also, remember, if you want your user to register and receive SMS verification, you can do that. Inside registration, if you want your user to register, you can click on it. Verification request, if you want that as well, you can do that. So this, you can change all of the settings from the admin end. You have total control over that. So these are the interest log. How many times get paid? This person get paid 4 out of 30 times. That is how you're gonna be planning. That's how you're gonna know your plan, the plan, the interest, and how much each of your user are getting paid based on the investment that they made on your properties, on the properties on your platform. All right, so commission log, these are the commission log. These are the people that get commission from the platform, and also you can see all of those details right there. These are the payment report, automatic report. These are the one that you see automatic. You can see the payment report right here, and also withdrawal report. Anybody that withdraw, you can see that, and also you can see all of the transaction log history right here. And at the same time, you can see all of the pages on the platform where you can edit every functionality, every text on the platform. This is the full demo of this investment property project. If you're in need of this script, this is what you need to do. So in the next section now, so we are going to be talking about how you can make use of this script, how you can install the script on your platform. All right, so right now let's go to so we have this page on our cPanel. So let me start with cPanel. I will just close all of this. All right. Okay, so let's go to the C panel. All right, so I assume each and every one of you have your C panel already, and you have done all of the necessary things that you need to do. So right now, you need to go to your file manager, right? You go to your file manager, and after you go to your file manager, I expect that if you're coming to this platform, you already know the structure of your folder, you know where your project is, you know how you're gonna assign your project, you know how you're gonna do that, and all like that. So if you are having new server, you just bought a new server, right? And every details is going to be under public.html. Now, what I want to show you right now is something you can actually follow on your own. And at the same time, you can also do that another way. But right now, if you just bought a new domain and new hosting, nothing will be here. So we're gonna be installing that new script in the new page right now. So I will create a new folder called new project. All right, so I'm creating a folder new project right here. Reload. All right, so now I will scroll down to see if that folder has been created. New project. Okay, so this is new project. The folder has been created. Now, because I want to install that script into the new folder. Remember, if you have your own new domain and hosting, you don't need to create this new folder. You just need to import the script that I'm about to show you into that directory and extract it. But right now, this is a domain. I have a domain. I have a project on it already. Now I want to install in a new domain, like let me just say a subdomain. Now the subdomain I want to install it on, I have named it new project. Now this is the name of my script. This is the name of the domain at the moment. I will copy this, the name of the domain, and let me just clear all of this. All right, so clearing all of this, clearing all of this, clearing all of this. All right, so I will just drop it right here, and new project, the name of the project we just created. Now I will hit enter. You see now I'm having I'm having no folder in this directory. Right now, this is where the tricky part now comes in. Now this project, I'm not having anything here. I'm not having any scripts here. I'm not having any software installed right here. That is why I'm seeing this page like this. Now all you need to do is the script that you're gonna be, how we get the script that you upload in this directory. You can click on the description below and check out how you can reach out to me to get the script. You understand? So now all you need to do is go to your cPanel file manager, go to um okay, so I will go to this brick asset zip. So I will move this folder. I will cancel this brick right here. This is how you are going. This is how you can navigate through cPanel. Now the folder that I created the other time, which is new project, I will click on it and then move the file inside that folder. All right. So if I go to new folder, new project. Now, when I go to the new project, I now see this folder. And if I go to this section, new project, and I click on refresh, you see, I now see that folder right here. But if I click on this folder, it's just going to be downloading in it for me. Now, all I need to do right now is after you get this script from me, upload it in your public HTML directory if you just purchase your domain and hosting. But if you already have a new domain or a new hosting before, maybe you already have a domain and hosting before and you just want to upload it in another page, you can follow this guide. But if you are new, you just bought the domain and hosting, all you need to do is do that inside the public.html Your public HTML will look like this. Do not have any project on it. Just upload this asset zip file that you're gonna collect, that you're gonna receive from me in this directory, just the way I have done this. Click on it and extract. Extract inside there. All right. So after the extraction is done, you see, you just need to reload this page, and after you reload this page and come to this section, you click on refresh, boom, you're gonna see that the website will come live, and you can navigate through the login, you can navigate through the login, you can navigate through the setup, you can navigate through the registration page, you can navigate through the admin page. You understand me? So that way everything is gonna be cool, right? So you click on login right now, you go to login page, you see it's going to take you to the login page where you can log in. And also, if you want to access the admin page, I will show you the admin page right now, understand, so that you can know how to navigate to the admin page of this script. But there are some tricky part of this project that I have not showed. That is how you're gonna create the database, how you're gonna connect a database with your PHP my admin and all of those like that. Now right now I will show you how that can be done and can be achieved. So right now let me show you how you can navigate to the admin login. So copy this, then new project, that is the folder, that is the directory that you are on, and type this URL. This will take you to the admin login where you can log in as an admin. Then you have to input the email and password, then log in as an admin and set up for your project. All right, so right now there is one tricky part about this thing. If you go to the core, you see, let's look at the .ht access. This .ht access is very important. You see, you have to make sure that it is available on your project. Okay, we are good. So let's go to the core. Let's go to database. Then let's go back. I want to show you something on .env. You see this .env, make sure that you can see it as well. If you click on this .env, you have to make sure that all of this information right here, you need to copy this information. You need to copy this information. If I remove any details from here, so let's say initially when you get the script, you see nothing here, right? I will show you the reason why this is very important, this .env. Okay, so if I go to the platform now and I click on refresh, I'm going to have error 500. You see, now in your own case, you're gonna have error 500 if you upload this script and you extract it this way. It's not gonna work because you need to set up your MySQL, you need to create your PHP my admin, you need to create your database and connect your database to this script. And you can only do that by navigating to this .env that I navigated to. Make sure you follow this script the way I followed it. I go to database, sorry, core. I go to the core and I come to this .env and I click on this .env to edit the .env file. Okay, so now the next step is go to your cPanel. Now you need to come here and create go to my SQL database. All right, so this MySQL database creates new project. New project, that's the database name, create the database. Make sure that you save the name of this database that you just created because you're gonna need it. And also you need to create a user. So you say new user, you say pro user. All right, then give it a password, generate a password, generate password. You can copy this. I have copied, use this password, and make sure that you create a new page for yourself. Right, so okay, so you have all right, so this, you have this is the password for your database. So that's database username, database user. Okay, let's say user, database username. All right, so now remember we have created, okay, let's create the user. See, we created pro user. Now this user has been created as well, so we now need to go back and then come down, and then we need to connect the user, which is pro user that we just created, and the new project that we just created. Add both of them together. Then make sure you copy all of this, go to that place, paste it here because you're gonna need it. Select all privileges, make changes. All right, so you see we have saved this database, right? All right, so we have saved this database. We have this pro user, we have blah 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 like that. All right, so right now we need to do something. So we need to go to our new project and go to let's go to database. All right, I'm looking for the, so you need an SQL file, okay, because that SQL file is very important. Okay, so I don't think I can find it. All right, so just go to, after that, after you have already saved this, you make the changes, changes I've made the other time. So just go back to your page, make sure that you save this, and your password that you copy, you selected the other time. Go to your cPanel again, and then now this time around we are coming to PHP my admin. So go to PHP my admin. Okay, so you want to do something. I will not explain what I'm doing right here, but you have knowledge about this, you will know exactly what I'm doing. I'm not gonna, it's not for the purpose of this tutorial. All right, so this asemi, okay, this is the project. So I will click on this project. As you can see, there's nothing here on this project. All right, so if I go back to this .env file now, right? Remember, what is my DB database? Now let us go to that thing that we saved the other time. Database user. So this is the database. Username, password. Now, do you now see the reason why we need this section now? This is why you need to come to this section and input all of this. Local host, if the local host is not there, input local host. Make sure you save it. Now, let's go back to this asset point and click on refresh. We are still going to have error 500. You see, when I click on refresh, the website is not still loading. I'm still having HTTP error 500. All right, now the next thing that I need to do is to make sure that is the reason why I'm still having that error is because my PHP admin under this new database that I created and new user that I created, I have not import my SQL file. The SQL file that is going to take charge of everything that is on that project is not or it's not installed. You see, if you click on this folder now, it's having nothing. This is not bringing down any drop down. But now let us go to import. Make sure you click on this folder and click on import. Click on choose file, and then you will see this SQL file, right? Then import that SQL file. So immediately you see when I import all this SQL file, everything now came. You see everything now came, right? If I go to the admin, you see the admin, you see the information of the admin, you see the password of the admin. You understand? Then if you go back to this website, click on refresh, and we are live. Okay, so we are still getting error 500, and that is because having issues with our EMV. You know, when we have this password, that we created, and when we save this password and we come to our project, we get error 500. All you need to do is just go to cPanel. Okay, so go to cPanel, go to the user you created, that current user that you created, which is for user, then change the password, then change the password to this. All right, then change that password. After you change the password, then come back to your .env file, click on pass, click on that password instead of this one. I'm going to input this one, so click on save. Make sure you generate a password like this, then click on this, then boom, you have your project live and direct. And also, what I want you to do is you need to now go to, what's it called? Okay, so after this, I want to show you something about the admin end. When you come to the admin, when you refresh, we have go to your admin page section. We have admin. You can click on edit, right? Or if you want to use another admin, because normally you're gonna have one admin right here, the information of the admin that you can use to log in. You can just copy this to duplicate the admin details, and after you duplicate this, you can come here and change the, let's say my admin, change this to my admin at investpoint.com. Then come here, password, change the password to 123456789, right? And also make sure that you select this and then you click on encrypt. You'll see encrypt, you understand? Then after that, just click on go. All right, you have IDs and then duplicate admin for key. Okay, so we can only have one admin for this script. Okay, that's interesting. All right, so just click on edit, username, admin. So let's say the username for this one is going to be my admin. So admin is a unique ID, so we're gonna have two admin. So we just have to change the name. So that I will just I will encrypt this. I will just click on go. All right, so we now have two admin, and the second admin have also be created. So now we copy this, right? Let's copy this .com, and let's go to our details right here. Input these details, and then input the password we created: 123456789. Right, but right now we need to refresh this page so that it will take in the new detail. So that's one. Then remember the password we input: 123456789. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then click on login. Right, so that is how you can create your admin details. So now we have my admin, and if we log in with the second one as well, it's going to log in the same way. So that way you can create multiple admin for your users. Thank you very much.